Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Bolivia. So let's get started. So here I will just go to the google.com and I will directly search for top business bank in Bolivia. Okay, so here we can see, so the first bank is our Bancloso. Then we have Banco Nacional de Bolivia. Then we have the Banco Mercantil Cent and other banks. So I'm going to show you how to open an account in National Bank of Bolivia. Okay, so I will just open the account. Okay, so here we can see, so here we can see the like the page. Okay, so if you don't know here is local language, you can just translate it. Okay, so here we can see, so here it is. So to open a business bank account, we will just go to their opening bank here. Okay, so here we can see, so to open a bank account, a business bank account, you have to go to their nearest branch, or you can just call them and they will tell you to like go to the nearest branch. Okay, so if you see here, like downside, we can see the like here all the detail, so you can see how to get an start. Okay, so here you have to fill the form, like here what you are and your name and surname, then serial number. So they will contact you and you can open. So to opening a bank account in Bolivia will require a minimum age of 18 and you should have a business verified number and some other things. So this is how we can just open a bank account here. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.